Let's explore the Connections Pentagon Play System, a versatile, inclusive, open-ended building set designed to spark creativity, strengthen fine motor skills, and support hands-on STEM learning in early childhood classrooms. The Connections Pentagon Play System is ideal for child-led exploration, STEM centers, and inclusive group activities. This open-ended system supports children ages 3 and up. Made from eco-conscious Poly Plus material, it reduces plastics in the classroom while maintaining durability. The Pentagons are perfect for indoor or outdoor play. These pieces are lightweight, easy to grasp and connect, and support inclusive play for children of many abilities and developmental stages. Included in the set, you'll find 162 thoughtfully designed pieces, 18 small pentagons, 18 large pentagons, 55 connector clips, 40 nut and bolt connectors, 30 lacing connectors, inspiration cards, and a mesh bag for easy storage. The Pentagon Play System is designed to foster child-led exploration and open-ended play. While we encourage children to discover their own ways to use the pieces, let's explore how all the pieces are designed and how they connect. Lacing supports fine motor development and visual motor coordination. Children can use the colorful lacing connectors included in the play system to weave patterns, spell letters, practice counting, and more. The lacing connectors work best when they are laced through these smaller holes in the Pentagon panels. To connect two pentagons using the nut and bolt connectors, you simply place the bolt through the set of pre-drilled large holes on each pentagon that you want to connect. Take note that the bolts only fit through these large holes, not the smaller holes that are used for lacing connectors. You will notice that the pentagon pieces need to be angled so that the large holes line up straight for the bolts to go through. Once the bolt is through the hole, screw the nut onto the end to make the connection secure. These hinge connector pieces are used to connect the pentagon pieces for 2D or 3D builds. Line up one side of the connectors with the pre-drilled large holes in one pentagon piece. Push and listen for it to snap into place. Do the same on the second pentagon piece, and now they're connected. An interesting function of this design is that these connectors work as hinges, unlocking adventurous new build angles for children to explore. These flexible and stretchy band connectors can be used in myriad ways, but their primary purpose is to connect pieces. So you take the stretchy band, place one end into the large holes. We're going to wrap this around, and you can either attach that other end to the first pentagon, or you can even stretch it more and put it onto the second pentagon, which gives you a little more tension here, holding the pieces securely together. This band empowers creative choices like having two pieces connect slightly off center or adding a handle to a build. The unique shape of the corner connector fits in the inner edges of the pentagon panels perfectly. To use, simply place the corner connector in the 3 corners of the pentagons you want to connect. Push down until you hear a slight click, and then you can see that these little points have locked into place. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to use the pentagon panels is through stacking. Young children ages 3 and up love to stack the panels into towers or balanced structures. This kind of vertical play builds hand-eye coordination, grip strength, and fine motor control, especially as children work to line up the edges and keep the pieces steady. As children gain confidence, they may experiment with mixing panel sizes or incorporating connectors to stabilize their stacks and expand their designs. Children also love to build containers out of the pentagons that can be used to hold and sort other objects. Building off key developmental concepts like hiding, discovering, holding, sorting, and even trapping objects, with the Pentagon Play System, children are set free to explore the many ways objects interact with each other and their environments. You can use the included inspiration cards to guide and extend children's play with the Connections Pentagon Play System. Each card features images of a build, natural objects, and real-world architecture that inspired the build. These visual prompts can be used as scaffolded challenges, encouraging children to copy, modify, or take creative risks as they design their own abstract forms. You can also use the vocabulary words on each card to introduce concepts like balance, space, and structure, connecting hands-on exploration with foundational STEM language. By combining the open-ended nature of the Pentagon pieces with the structured inspiration of the cards, you can create personalized, play-based learning experiences that support critical thinking and problem-solving. We hope the Connections Pentagon Play System inspires joyful learning in your classroom. If you have any questions or want to learn more about this play system or the other enriching educational products that Kaplan has to offer, please reach out to your local sales representative at kaplanco.com. We can't wait to hear from you.